having a look at, we're now looking at question 7 from the revision sheet number 1. So if you're wanting to look at the other parts of this, those videos will be linked in the comments below. So we've got 8.69 by 10 to the power of 3 by 2.69 by 10 to the power of 6. Now some people will want to go straight to their calculators and just type that in, but we're looking for you to show your understanding of scientific notation here. So and our index laws. So we've got our 2 with the same base, and so we will add the indices for that. So we get 2 to the 3 plus 6 is 9, and then we're going to multiply these two numbers. So we're going to go 8.69 by, and we've got 2.69. So that gives us 23.3761. And so we'll round that to just 23.4. But the issue here is we don't have correct scientific notation because it needs to be a number between 1 and 9. So we need to make that 2.3, and we'll just round that to 2.34. And because we have moved that decimal place, we're going to make our 9 into a 10. The next one, we've got some negatives, so we're still going to do the same way. When we've got 10 to the negative 3 times 10 to the negative 6, we get 10 to the negative 9. When we add the negative 3 and the negative 6, and then we're going to do our multiply here where we have our 3.258, and we're multiplying by 4.369. And we get 14.23. And so then we want to change that to 1.423. So because we've moved that decimal place, we're going to make that a negative 8. Then we've got some division. So we'll do our 9.74 divided by our 5.45. So 9.74 divided by 5.45. And we get 1.787. So we'll round that to 1.79. And then we've got 10 to the negative 3. When we divide, we subtract. So negative 3 take away negative 6 is going to be negative 9. Then we've got down here our 2.123. And we're dividing that by 7.258. So we get 0.29, 292, or 293. And then we've got 10 to the negative 7. So that's negative 7. And we're taking away the 6, so we'll get 10 to the negative 13 there. And then we want to make that 2.93. So back here when we had, when we were moving that one decimal place, we went from negative 9 to negative 8. Because we're going the other way, we will go to negative 14. And that's that one done.